Hello everyone, welcome to today review with the market once again all over the place, not making things easy. Today it was a very painful day, slow, painful day. Actually, it was one of the hardest days that I have this year and very tricky to generate cash flow today, at least for me. I try to pick and let's see how the market close and see right now some fading on the tech names. Early in the morning, I got some put for the cubes. I was looking for a fade, but it took some time. We are seeing right now tech fading. It took some time. The fading was expectable, but first they squeeze it back up, going all the way into 320. I believe I start shorting here, looking for a pullback into the 8 moving average. That did not happen, so I closed the put hedge and assumed the loss on the put hedge. I also try some calls on Boeing, but we are seeing that Boeing is diving right now. What was the rationale behind the Boeing calls was basically after 1-2 days pullback, looking for holding, so that it was holding the Friday lows and recovered the 8-day moving average, and on the move up I basically closed the calls for a small profit, and those help a bit, but we are seeing right now rolling over, going already below Friday lows, so very bearish right now here on Boeing and going down as we speak. We had some more. I tried some more. Let's see what was the. I tried some more LVS. LVS. I got some calls here. Those actually worked, and I was able to generate some nice cash flow, get in, get out, and those helped a bit. Twitter. I was looking for a bounce up, was seeing bullish options activity on the name for this week, and closed pretty much flat on the day. All over the place. What was the rationale? We had 1, 2, 3, 4 days going down. Today was day 5. I was looking for a bounce with the rest of the tech names, and didn't happen. And we had a bounce, but it was small one. It faded here. I closed pretty much flat on those calls. I tried Palantir. I saw bullish options activity on Palantir, and I was looking for a bounce here from 24. I had a level 24.13. Was looking for a bounce. It actually bounced, but all over the place. So if it goes below 24, watch out, it can waterfall down. So right now things not easy. It was not an easy day, not even close, and it was a tricky one. On X, I got also some calls on X. Was looking after the Friday action. Okay, after the attempt on Friday for a reversal. Okay, I was looking for another attempt to reversal on X. I got some calls, and those also didn't work. Basically, what worked today was actually on Apple. Apple was a great one. Congratulations to everyone that got long. I saw calls 1-1, 1-3. Those calls worked very well. Congratulations if you scalp it. I should have jumped on those calls. I didn't. It happens, part of trading, and let's see where we can go from here. So basically, right now the market closed. At the end of the day, I gave some put scalps here on Tesla. Put 700 at $26. They basically closed at 38. So from 26 to 38, we are talking about 1200 profits $1,200 profit per contract. So congratulations if you got those put scalps. What was the rationale on that? Was basically fading. The thing that I was looking for the tech names to do it earlier, they did it into the bell on the last 30-40 minutes into the close, and tech faded, and it gave here a nice beautiful put scalp. Congratulations if you got that put scalp. Now what, below today lows of today 668, we have a gap to fill at 657. It's also one of my key supports. If it breaks below, it can go all the way below 650. So keeping here, rejected right at the resistance, right where it should, below $700, not able to break higher. So right now, ball on the bear camp here on Tesla, unless it goes above $700 and 710, then we can try to squeeze back up. Otherwise, below today lows of today 668, we have this gap to fill 657, and can give it all back, and who knows where this it will stop. Looking for the spice after Friday action. Friday, no real edge after Friday action today. Basically bounce recovering the 8-day moving average, so trying to keep the ball on the bull camp, but this fade at the end of the day, really tricky. So no clue what the hell is going to happen next. Are we going to have a turnaround Tuesday tomorrow? No one really knows. What we know, 394 is the level. Above 394 can go back into 396, 398. If it goes back below my 392, that's the 8-day moving average. Below 392 we will roll over, in my opinion, and we can go all the way into 390. That's the first level, and below that we can go into Friday lows around 387. So that can be one of the targets. Right now, what we have here, okay, let's put here the line we have here. Okay, that's the same 394, the level that we break, and I've been mentioning, and that we break down on Thursday. We had a retest, basically 7 cents above 394. That was the level that I gave you on Thursday as a key support. It break down. Right now it's acting as resistance. Above 394 can give can make a big short squeeze, but right now 394 is the resistance that we break down as support on Thursday, and right now acting as resistance. So 392 first support, 389, 390 the second support. Looking for the cubes, it gave some of the gains back, and right now into tomorrow I'm going to stay open-minded. The market is really tricky. It worked very well, the plan that I told you. If the yields pull back, also last week I saw calls on TLT. Those calls actually worked very well. If you got those calls I saw around $1.50. They closed at the end of the day $2.50. So more $1 profit per contract. So on 10 contracts, for example, $1,000. It was a great trade for swing long traders. But this thing is not out of the woods, not even close. The idea was an oversold bounce, something like we saw here, and we are seeing right that. Okay, so not out of the woods. Unless we go above today highs of today 136.4, we can go into 138, 139. And that can help the tech names. So going into tomorrow, what I'm going to watch, how the yields are, if we are going to have a spike on yields or not. If we have a spike on yields, tech can once again reversal sell and give back today gains. If the yields continue to stay on the red and TLT resumes back into 138, 139, then we can have tomorrow another green day for Nasdaq. But let's see. Looking for the cubes, things are not out of the woods, okay? So yes, we are possible doing here an inverse head and shoulders, but we need to see it, okay? First, an inverse head and shoulders, it's only confirmed once we break and stay above the neckline. The neckline right now at 324. only above 324 we will fill the gap at 329 plus, and we will go back into $330 plus. Okay, but we need to see it. And not the perfect action, the easy end of the day selling pressure, but staying open-minded. Right now, the right shoulder and left shoulder around $310, and that's the key support. Bears needs below 310, bulls needs above 324. So right now we can have here some painful gain, and as we saw today, it was actually a painful one. Small caps treated basically as an intraday inside day, okay, inside day, above Friday lows but below Friday highs. So basically an inside day, no real edge. What we need, bulls needs above Friday highs, above 228 plus we can go all the way into 230. Bears needs below today lows of today, below 224 to go and break below 222 and go into 217, 218. So right now, very tricky tape. Also today saw some bullish options activity in QS, for example. Okay, I highlighted that, but it was not easy. Okay, it was at the beginning of the day, very beautiful bounce from the 8-day moving average, but it moved very slow. Okay, and it was not easy. Saw some nice volume, but not easy. Also didn't break, needs above 65 to go into the $70 area, and we need to see it. So not easy tape in my opinion. Snap printed a bullish reversal candle, and let's see if it's going to hold above 56 and try to go above 59 as the next level around $59-60. Bulls needs above $60 to go into the 64. So right now, tricky action that we are seeing right now on the market. Finally, we seeing some bull case into the tech, but not out of the woods. And also, what I was expecting, the fade, it actually happened into the end of the day. So it was very tricky to and also very tricky to hold anything overnight. So right now, manage your risk wisely, staying cash overnight, the action really all over the place. Another name that I got today, XPV. Okay, I was seeing some bearish options activity out of the gate. Puts 37, they got in the money, but immediately bounced back up. So I basically closed those puts, and where it happened, what it happened, basically did nothing, killing the premium for the calls, killing the premium for the puts inside. Okay, the resistance line and support line that I have closed basically flat, printing almost a doji. So not the perfect tape right now. It was a very slow and premium killing action that I saw today, killing the premium for both longs and shorts. So right now into tomorrow, going to stay open-minded and waiting to see how the pre-market is, trying to build a trading plan, and I will try to figure out a way to generate cash flow tomorrow and into the end of the week. And we'll share with you the trading plan on the Stock Chart channel with the names that I will have tomorrow into watch, and trying to build the trading plan for each name and trying to generate some cash flow tomorrow. Okay, trying to compensate a little bit the hard action that we saw today, and hard to generate some cash flow today, unless I got into Apple calls and I missed those Apple calls. Can't get all the single trade on the market. It happens. Part of real traders' life. So far, I'm as I've told you last week, very green on the mount, and it was for me personally the hardest day of the mount. It happens. Only happens to those that are playing hard every single day on the market, and it's part of trading, it's part of business. So right now, clearing the mind and getting ready for tomorrow. So thank you all for watching. Wish you all a great evening, enjoy, and see you all tomorrow. Bye bye, everyone.